Well, afternoon, gang. Memphis and I just got back from the post office. Can you see where this package is from? Warbonnet Outdoors. Super excited for this. This is just part of my order, but probably the most important part. It comes with these. Blue Y-shaped tent stakes, maybe 8 inches or so. And that, this. Whoa, whoa. And some other things. So, what's it come with? A sticker. I don't put stickers on my car, but you know, maybe I could put it on this piece of gear or my Chromebook at work. I bought 4 of these little guys. Aren't those just about the cutest things you ever saw? Does it focus? They're called tarp ticks. Most of the times we don't like ticks. But I feel like I'm gonna love these. So I got 4 of those. 100 feet of guy line, just regular old gray, and I got some of this. Well, actually, I didn't have to pay for that. It came with the tarp, but that's because I need to use it. And instructions. Of course, I'll be reading these, just so you know, like, I actually do read these. But not right this second. So let's see. This little guy, miniature carabiner, probably titanium. This long thing, which is even twice as long as what I just wrung out. Actually, 2 of the things. That is to go around the tarp so that it makes it easier. Makes it easier for it to store and deploy. So, what is this kit that I got? This kit is a camping hammock. This is the Warbonnet Outdoors Blackbird XLC. I've got 2 carabiners here. Double-ended stuff sack. She won't, you just pet her. She just barks at you so you'll pet her. There's some young people at my fence. She's a mini bull terrier. So I got this tarp with these Warbonnet buckles in your tree strap business. It's got an open loop on one side. And then I got my tarp. Oh, it's the softest stuff you ever felt. In gray. I would have liked green, but they were out of them, and I was impatient. I didn't want to wait. So anyway, this will be just an unboxing video. We'll set it up another day. So that's one side of the stuff sack, is one side of the hammock. And you never guess what's on the other side of the stuff sack. Good. other side of the hammock. So it also has that toggle system, not toggle, buckle system, and the tree loops. And the XLC comes with a bug net. I tell you what, I'm like mosquito buffet. They see me coming and I think they just get out their napkins and forks and knives and they get to work. So, super excited about the bug net. Okay. Plus, I ordered a tarp. So I ordered the 11-foot Thunderfly. And it comes with 2 more of these little guys. I'm telling you, they weigh nothing. You wouldn't even know they're there. And I ordered this in green. So I'll have a green and gray setup. It's got a door on both sides. So I'm excited to learn how to set that up, but first, on the panel poles, that's what this is for. So I've got to seal up the panel poles, so I'll do that tonight. And then it can just set all night. And I got to attach some guy lines and these tarp ticks. But I'm very excited about this new setup. This is going to be great. So when I said this is only half my order, I also ordered an underquilt, but they didn't have any, so it's on back order, a couple weeks. So I'll let you see that when it comes. All right, so now we're gonna have plenty of adventures because we'll have to learn how to set this up and do videos on that, and then we'll have to go camping in it. Okay, thanks for watching. Again, this is a Warbonnet Blackbird XLC, and I've been wanting one of these for a couple years now. Super excited. Super excited.